Hi guys, I'm Zach from Nodox Media and we're gonna wash my car. It is the season to be spooky, so I have prepped the car accordingly. As you guys probably saw in the last episode, I have now angry eyes in my car, as well as I've put vampire teeth. Because yes. Anyway, so the plans for today is there's actually a car meet tonight. Pretty big one. It's a group that I've been involved with for a fair bit, so I think it's going to be a pretty big car meet. I think it's going to be a pretty good turnout for that said car meet, and yeah, I'm going to record washing my car just so that there's a little bit of extra footage, because we all know, try to get that extra time. And there's a car, BMW 3 Series, nice. Anyway, so plan for now is to wash the car. I've said this already, and I'm dragging this on, so I'm gonna just shush and go wash my car already. Cue the music. And I'm back, and the car is now clean. It is a clean car. I've turned the halos off, by the way, sorry. Sorry for you guys, halos are off. Anyway, so the car is now washed, although I'm still on dirty streets. I didn't wash it nicely. Always wash your car nicely, don't be like me. I'm a bad influence. But yeah, the car is now washed. I found out, actually last week, I won't lie, but I found out that my girlfriend actually has better car cleaning equipment than I do. So that's brilliant. She's a keeper. Anyway. Yeah, no, car's now all clean, and sorry if the video cut out kind of sporadically or randomly. It is very hot, and my camera was even overheating. So not fun. I just pulled a very gross face. Anyway, moving on. So, probably catch you guys up before we leave for the car meet, because it is still kind of early. But it looks like we're going to meet a lot of friends out there. I know Callum's going to make his way there. Probably in his 32, his Z32, which will be cool. Richard said he's going to make it out, although I know he just messaged me now to say that his SR20 S13 that he has, that he's been trying to fix, apparently its issues were a lot more than what he thought it was. And then the other Toyota twin cam, I think it's a Corolla, is it Corolla? Richard, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. That also, yeah, blew up. So I don't know how Richard's getting there, but we'll see Richard there. Give Richard some emotional support and some motivation. Shout out in the video even, yeah, hells yeah. But yeah, it looks like we're going to have a lot of friends there, so I'll catch you guys up when we leave for the car meet. Wow, transitions though. Bam. I'm so cool. Alright boys, we back again. So the car is now washed, as you can see. I'm all fancied up as well. I don't know if the first time I did that it even got me. Or the second though. Anyway, I'm all fancied up for the meet tonight, because we're supposed to also kind of dress up. The car is ready to go. And yeah, so the next clip you guys are probably going to see is being on the road. Yeah. Guys, we've made it to the car meet. I don't know if you can hear me through my mask. I dearly hope so. And yeah, now let's go look at some cars, I guess. We've got a really nice NB Miata here. I parked up next to the NB, and then we've got Callum's 280Z. I don't know if he was coming in the 280Z or the 300Z, but all the same, they both look amazing. So, but yeah, cool. We're kind of early to the meet, so. But we're gonna have to wait for more people to show up, but there we go. Guys, and that was a successful car meet. Kind of the yes, girlfriend. My camera struggled to pick up some of the cars and footage and whatever. Unfortunately, it is night, and my camera cannot do night, as we know before from the photo shoot video. But it was fun. We got to see some things. I don't think this is going to be a particularly long video. Just close it, my love. It's fine. She's trying to close the door. Run away! Yeah. I don't know if it was that successful of a video this time, but I mean it was fun, and there were a few cool cars there. There was a Mark II Supra, I think. Callum's 280Z, obviously. A few Miatas, which I wasn't expecting. There usually isn't any Miatas when I go to these things, so it was nice to see some Miatas. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, leave a like and a comment down below. If you didn't, tell me how I can improve down below. But until then, guys, cheers.